Hello, my name is Joe Frei, owner of Frei Remodeling and Construction. Today we're going to answer some questions about home renovations. Can Frei Remodeling and Construction help me with my whole home remodel? So a typical home renovation project for us is a complete renovation of your home. Taking everything down to the studs, relocating walls, electrical, new doors, windows, new kitchen, new bathrooms, new lighting. Pretty much everything in the home's gonna get renovated. Typical home renovation projects that we don't typically do is changing out windows, or just changing out the doors, or just doing flooring projects. How long does a whole home remodel take? So a typical home renovation project takes anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Certain aspects that would make it on the longer end to the 6 months would be how many walls are we taking out? What are we relocating as far as plumbing and electrical? Overall scope and complexity of the project. An aspect that would make it on a shorter timeline, 3 months and under, would be just a typical home renovation, not taking out any walls, not locating any electrical or plumbing, but taking everything down to the studs and a complete new kitchen, bathrooms, windows, and doors. How much does a whole home remodel cost? So we've done whole home remodel projects up to $450,000. Factors into that cost is the size of the home, what's involved in the work, demoing walls, electrical relocation, plumbing relocation, doors, windows, and material selection. We've also done some home renovation projects for $175,000. What factors into that is smaller home, less scope of work, leaving walls where they're at, leaving plumbing, leaving electrical where they're at, and new flooring throughout the home. Can I stay in my home during a whole home remodel? The simple answer is no, you can't stay in your home while we're doing this whole home renovation project. A couple of reasons is there's gonna be a lot of trade contractors in there, it's gonna be dirty, and we're essentially gonna take over your whole home. And that's not good for us or you. So one requirement that we have when we're doing a whole home renovation is that you make other means, whether that's Airbnb or a rental, to move out for that 3 to 6 months period, depending on the scope of work on your project. In the long run, this is just better for you on a cost point and a timeline to complete your project. What can I do to prepare for my whole home remodel? The one and only thing that's really important to prepare for your whole home remodel is to get pods. That's typically what all our clients do. They order pods, they hire movers, and they move all the contents out of the home into these pods. That way you can rest assured that all your home's contents are stored away safely while we do your project. So if you have any additional questions or you would like to discuss a possible whole home remodel project, please go to our website, click on the Contact Us form. We schedule a call to see if we're a good fit, and I'll talk to you personally.